Do you ever feel you've been doing this stretch forever and you're stuck in the same place? If you want to see progress in your flexibility training, you need to pay attention to your form. Let's break down the half split stretch. We're going to start on lunge. Our main focus is to stretch the hamstrings. A common mistake that I see on this stretch is rounding the back, leaving a lot of space between your torso and your leg. In this position, even though the leg is straight, you are not really stretching your hamstrings. You are compensating the tightness of your hamstrings by rounding your back. Another common mistake, to put the blocks too far forward. The back is already rounded from the start. So move the blocks a little bit closer. Start by engaging your core and pressing your torso towards your leg. This is the direction of your torso. Try to keep a flat spine. Press tight on your front foot, and from there you start stretching your leg. Maybe your knee is not fully straight. That's okay. And take a few moments to go in and out of the stretch to allow your body to get used to this position. You can play with it. You can feel your back rounding and lengthening, and you can see how that affects your leg. Yeah. Once you feel you can stay on the stretch for a bit longer, we're going to add the toes. Lifting the toes up and down, just gliding through this stretch. This will increase the sensation on the hamstrings and on your calf. And finally, one more thing we can add to increase the intensity of this stretch is releasing the blocks, finding balance, first light on the fingertips, and then finally releasing the hands. So now all the intensity, all the stretch is going directly into my hamstring. And then from here, we can go full on our front splits.